Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Our tray is here. As you can see, it came. This is my RACO bell. Just came in. Got it for a very good price, but I'll disclose that later in the video. Now, I know why you're here. It's because you want to hear this thing ring, and I will gladly do so. Now, I got this guy for a very good price, being only $60. I know, what a deal. As you can see, it's clearly restored. Kind of glide around it here. You can kind of see what condition it's in. You can tell it's used by all the scuffs that you can see through the restored paint. I'll open the back up in just a sec. Let me spin around so I don't have to keep walking around this whole thing. There you have the back. You can see lettering and numbers here, but I just can't make out what it says. I'll gloss over it, maybe you can make out something. Got a number there and then a big 52 on the bottom. Now I'll open up the innards. As you can see, the screw here isn't in the best of shape. There you go. You got your inside. Nice and cleaned out, you know, except for this is a bit rusty. Have a little tag here. It's a bit hard. There's a 2 there, there's a 1475 there. I'm pretty sure these are new, but if they're not, then they survived very well over the ages. Ringing. If you're curious on what this runs on, here's a quick look. Now, railroad bells aren't normally inside in a railroad crossing, they're outside. So why don't we listen to it outside?